Sige man.
Nagbasitak. Okay. No, nagbasitak. Uwanan. Just to make you happy. Wanna go walk there after here? Let's go. Enjoy. Damdama. Timang ka ni Imakon? Dapat gayam nag-winter kotak. Jeez. Aja Imak. Aja Imak. Pagsubli mo lang ijaya? Seriously? Oh, good. Tamok ano, subli jay.
Di-resign ko dapat.
Imbag man lakay taamom. Dinisign mo gayam. Oh my world. Sana all architect. Alright, that's it. We need to go because it's so cold, Daddy. Okay. It's cold, folks, so we didn't stay long. Can't take it no more. My hand's cold. Guyo ka pa yan. Nalamog. Schedule. Daddy, wanna take a picture from here? Okay, we're done here, folks. That's all. Tapag isponde nga mahanak misbo. Ay, timang kanti imakon. Tilami isun ay na. Nag-winter ko tala ko man. Tapos aglab sa bigat. Nalamok na talaga. Nalamok apo. Oh, sinong mauna ang taya? Okay. Ready? Go. Go akon. Go garudon. Go garudon. Ni talo ka nga talaga. Tatatay pa yung go. Oh my world. Kapiti bayag mo. Malamin ako nagsakit ti ulo kon. Ow. Si mamakit ti ulo. Iti lamis. Nagsakit yung ulo nga talaga lakay. Nagsakit yung ulo ko. Lakay, come here. Itaka. Itaka na. Joy. Ayan, tibundok. Agawi dun. Malamihan, dagiti gurot. Pumata na yan ta. Tilamis na tuy. Dalam lamis pa kaya hindi yan mi. Agis snow ijay 5 inches. Dito yung mati snow da. Ngam naglambag. Ngam naglambag ijay. Ngam nadakad terror kami. Of course. Naglambag apo. Aya. Okay. Okay. Kami. Oh, ata dyan rental car mi. Oh. Rental car. Oh, yeah. With a rental car. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Whatever close to it. Next, we're gonna go to the hotel. Oh, before the hotel, to the Asian store, close to our hotel. So we're gonna go to the hotel. It's 5:16 p.m. Ay, may atras yun. We're gonna go to the hotel first before the Asian store. Make sure that we have lodging for 2 nights. Nanti nagkakon. Ay haan. Nagkaroon magtiim ako niyo. Bye, Red Rock. Can't stay longer because our hands are frozen. No gloves. Oh. Oh. Ayoko na. Oh! Oh! What's that?
Continue on I-70 East for 2 miles. In 2 miles, take exit 261 for US 6 East 6th Avenue.
Sakit yung ulo. Oh, how long is the hotel? 36 minutes? 30 some minutes? Oh, 38 tatay? Oh.
61. Then merge onto US 6 East.
Inda. Hindi tuk-tuk. We're on our way to the Asian store before the hotel instead. We changed our mind. Maraming mga Mexican store dito. Isa to yan. Oh, Far East Center. Isa to yan. Nakaslan sa ano? Na. Oh, one. Yay. We're here. There's fresh seafood over here. Okay, sure.
In 3
So we are here. Let's see what they have. Oh, little. We'll see what they have here. Oh, yummy. Yummy lang ka. Para na rin naka Pilipinas. Uy, ang dami. Oh, diba? Daddy. Daddy, look. Purple ngam ubi ko na dang ko atoy ajay kasla ajay gatangan tang ninaganlan sa gubi tugi. Yeah, it's tugi. Paborito ni dading. Yan ang nabili namin. Ito, paborito ko.
Exit the parking lot toward South Grove Street. Your destination by 5:36 p.m.
And that's the price. Grand total. Ay! The heck? What's going on in the world? It's a dip. It didn't say anything.
Yeah.
Oh, South Decatur. We're going back to Las Vegas.
Yeah, so this one is a deep.
At the next stop sign,
Oh,
turn
dip.
left.
Oh, there it is. Oh my world, how come you have dip? It really is a dip, folks. Oh my gosh. Hi. Buti sinabi niyang may dip.
Stop sign, turn left onto South
Idi
Grove
ada tayo
Street.
ijay hotel ijay ko. Anay baga ay ko gaya mano nga parking. Ay mano nga ko. Nino na nakapegay mata.
Muna nga sa marting is one.
Oh. The heck. Nagkyukit mo dagi balbalay dadto yun. Kasta ako ma, tibalay. Oh, ala, nagkyukit da.
At the next light, turn right.
Ayusin lahat ko na. Look at this store. Taqueria. There's so many Mexican store or restaurant here in Denver. There is Costco, your favorite store. Turut turut. Wala tayong tubig. Hindi naman pwedeng bumili ng isang ganong kalaki. Pero mura na yun kung bibili ka.
Dapat water bottle mo.
Awan. Ore ay ayusan na pala. I like the color of the wall.